It already feels like forever ago as we march into a new year. But just a few weeks back, I took full advantage of Alpaka's Black Friday deals and ended up with a really solid haul. Now, this isn't a flex. I'm not here showing off. Black Friday was ridiculously good last year, and a bunch of items I'd been eyeing for ages suddenly dropped into the, yeah, okay, I can justify that territory. So instead of bragging, I want to break down the actual bargains, why each item has earned its place in my setup after a couple of weeks of real-world use, and whether or not they are worth grabbing for yourself. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, watches, flashlights, multi-tools, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. Let's start with the boring one, but honestly, boring can be brilliant. This is the Ecopak Wash Kit. Not the sexiest piece of EDC gear, but absolutely one of the most useful. For overnight trips, hotel stays, or just even organising cables, it is ideal. It's super lightweight, water resistant, and it packs completely flat. It's made from Ecopak EPX400 with YKK AquaGuard zippers and a white clean interior, perfect for those inevitable shower gel explosions. At 1.3 litres, it's compact, but still fits travel-sized toiletries or EDC essentials like chargers and cables. I bought it to replace a much bigger, heavier wash bag, and I haven't looked back. It's not for big bottles or people with long grooming routines. The pockets are shallow and organisation is basic, but for those who pack light or want a versatile utility pouch, it is excellent. The regular UK price is £27, which feels fair. Travel featured heavily in this haul, starting with the Zip travel wallet, which was bought with an upcoming winter escape in mind. I don't travel as much as some creators, but when I do, I like everything tidy. This wallet is built for that. A front slip pocket, internal pockets for passports, cards, folded cash, and boarding passes, all wrapped in rugged Axoflux 210D with YKK zippers and RFID protection. At 18.8 by 11.5 by 2.2 centimeters and 130 grams, it is compact enough to drop in a sling, but big enough for all your documents. You only get 2 dedicated card slots, so if you're one of those that carries a dozen cards, it might feel a bit limited. And the L-shaped zip means access can be a touch fiddly, but for the way I travel, passport, notebook, foreign cash, essential documents, it is spot on. It is not cheap at a non-Black Friday price of £39, but it is very well made and very practical. These next two feel like a pair, the zip card pouch and the zip coin wallet. I love modular wallet options and I still haven't settled on my perfect setup. Phone payments are brilliant until they're not, so a backup card and emergency cash still matter. The zip card pouch has become my current daily front pocket wallet. Lightweight but rugged and made from Axoflux 210D, the two-way zip keeps everything secure. At 8.2 by 12 by 1.6 centimeters, it's pocketable, and Alpaka claim it holds up to 20 cards, which seems optimistic. I mean, who carries 20 cards these days? Who's ever carried 20 cards? There's a quick access outer slot and a main compartment for cards and folded cash. It's not ultra minimal and the zip is a bit chunkier than their usual hardware, but honestly, it's great for minimal carry with maximum security. Even though I rarely carry coins these days, the zip coin wallet still won me over. Again, made from Axoflux 210D, it is 7.5 by 10.5 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs 50 grams. It has an accordion style opening that reveals a surprisingly roomy interior. Perfect for cards, folded cash, coins. I've tried my Leatherman in it, and I've even tried it briefly as a knife pouch. It has 2 side pockets and RFID protection with a claimed capacity of 15 cards. This is a brilliant utility wallet. Keys, small tools, small gear. I'm using it currently for key storage, which I think may be its future role. At a regular price of £25, it's a smart, flexible piece of kit. This was the star of the haul, the Go Sling Mini, bought for upcoming winter travel. I'd originally wanted the Flight Sling 2 litres, but it wasn't available in black. And thanks to a very generous Black Friday discount, the Mini became the obvious alternative, and I was not disappointed. The dimensions are 19 by 29 by 9.5 centimeters, and it has a stated volume of 9 litres. It weighs 450 grams and is made from Axoflux 300D with YKK AquaGuard zippers. Inside there's a smart layout with a clean, cool grey 300D ripstop interior, front quick access pocket, a main section, and a discreet rear pocket for passports or valuables. The strap is removable and there's a grab handle for quick carry. The whole design is understated, not tactical, not flashy, just clean, modern and functional. And yes, at 29 centimeters wide, Mini is doing a bit of heavy lifting. It is generously sized, but that is why I like it. It sits comfortably between pocket sling and small backpack. It is perfect for travel days, commuting, tech carry, and general EDC. This will be my official 2026 travel sling. At £61 outside of Black Friday, it is not budget, but it feels premium, and as I've said before, you have to pay for quality. Alpaka didn't stop there. They threw in some freebies. The stash pouch, not generally available, is a simple slim pouch that disappears into a jacket, pocket or bag. Ideal for a few cards, cash, keys or small essentials. Overfill it and it bulks up, but used properly it's a great lightweight option, and for zero cost it's an absolute win. Another freebie was this Go Sling Nano, and I'll be honest, I was expecting to flip this on eBay as soon as it arrived. That was until I tested it, and it was a revelation. It is perfect for minimalist urban carry. Phone, wallet, keys, EDC pouch, done. It measures 22 by 13.5 by 8 centimeters with a volume of 1.6 litres. And it weighs in at 260 grams. The exterior is x-pac VX21 and the interior is the gorgeous 200D blood orange honeycomb lining. It looks small, but it packs surprisingly well. I used it on a recent Manchester City break and it was perfect, freeing up pockets, keeping everything secure and looking clean, stylish and low profile. If you want a compact pocket relief sling, this is surely one of the best. Need more capacity? Well, this isn't it. But if you need essentials, minimalism and durability, it is absolutely brilliant. And no, it will not now be appearing on eBay. So that's my Alpaka Black Friday haul. Again, not flexing, just sharing some genuinely great gear from a brand I already love. Everything here ticks the boxes I look for in EDC gear. Durable materials, clean, modern design, travel-friendly features, modular options, and real-world practicality. Links to the gear are below and on my kit.co page. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and a subscribe would be absolutely amazing. And let me know down in the comments, did you pick up anything on Black Friday sales? Are you an Alpaka user? What's your favourite piece of gear, or even your least favourite? Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.